you and I have now been talking about for months, Trump's mounting legal challenges, and today is no different. You're reporting that, quote, previously obscure attorney lands big payday representing Trump in high-profile lawsuit. First, who is this attorney? Her name is Alina Habba, and the law firm she's with.
Yep, she is with Habba Mario Associates. It is only 4 attorneys, according to his website, so relatively small. It is located in Bedminster, New Jersey, and probably not coincidentally, Donald Trump has a golf course in Bedminster, New Jersey, which is where he spends his summers. But how he came to hire her in the first place is not totally known. It's never really been explained, but she has represented him now in, I believe it's at least 9 cases.
We're going to get to those 9 cases later, but Donald Trump arguably is one of the most recognizable faces in the world. Is it interesting, peculiar that he has what you're describing as an obscure attorney representing him in these big legal battles?
Yeah, in this case it is. I mean, let's get this straight. He has a lot of attorneys representing him. And over history, he's had many attorneys representing him. Some of them have been well known. But picking this one out was very interesting. Like, she didn't seem to have much of a track record with any big cases. If you search for Alina Habba's name in either like Nexus or Google News, there's barely any mentions until she gets hired by Donald Trump. So not somebody who was working in a lot of high-profile cases at all.
I was going to ask that, so I'm assuming she hasn't, to your knowledge, represented any lawmakers, any high-profile names, and there's no indication of why Trump then would choose her to represent him.
No. And if you look through Federal Election Commission filings, no other political committee has reported paying her a dime. So he is really the only one out there.
But you're reporting she got paid a lot of dimes from Donald Trump. Big payday. What does that number look like?
Yeah, I believe, quick math, 69 million dimes. So that would be $6.9 million is what she has been paid through 2 PACs affiliated with Trump. And one of them owes her another another $534,000. So, all told, we're looking at $7.4 million in change, which is, yeah, you said a lot of dimes.
A lot of dimes, that's a big payday for anybody, even a lawyer. But has the law firm done a good job of representing the former president? As we know, he is on the hook for millions of dollars in both the E. Jean Carroll defamation suit as well as the New York fraud case.
They've had a mixed bag of representing him, but, he's also not the ideal defendant in a lot of these cases. He certainly undercuts his own arguments sometimes on Truth Social. In the New York fraud case, there was a lot of evidence there that supported it. I don't know if any attorney would have really helped him out all that much. But, she was the lead attorney in the Eugene Carroll one, and that one he lost for, I believe it was $83.8 million after being found liable. And then there's obviously the New York Attorney General one, where she was one of the co-defendants there, famously brought a gaming computer to court with her because it kind of glowed from underneath. And some gamers were able to identify that was the purpose of the computer there. Not working on high-profile law cases, but, playing Last of Us or whatever.